Hello there, you're watching Bizworld. Bursa Malaysia aims to elevate investor relations standards and capabilities of Malaysian public listed companies, PLCs, via the newly launched IR4U program. Its CEO, Datuk Muhammad Omar Swift, said the comprehensive IR4U program will support and enhance the standards and capabilities of investor relations IR practices.
The Bursa IR4U program we're launching today will provide listed companies with tools and resources they need to proficiently communicate their value proposition to investors, highlight the company's investability, and cultivate strong relationships with the investing community.
The program will encompass the IR4U portal, a comprehensive online resource to serve as a centralized hub. It will include webinars, articles and guidebooks covering the latest trends in the IR space, as well as various aspects of effective stakeholder management and IR relevant to PLCs and IR practitioners. Bursa Malaysia also has released 2 handbooks entitled Fundamentals of IR and Applications of IR. Petroleum Nasional Berhad Petronas and its petroleum contractors recorded 19 exploration discoveries and 2 exploration appraisal successes, contributing over 1 billion barrels of oil equivalent new resources for Malaysia in 2023. In a statement, the national oil company said the achievement was the result of an intensified exploration program pursued in the last few years, which saw the drilling of 25 wells, the highest number drilled in a single year since 2015. It noted that more than half of the discoveries were made in the Sarawak Basin, primarily in 2 clusters within the Balingian and West Luconia geological provinces. Meanwhile, the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries, OPEC, and its allies announced further production cuts for next year. This was to bolster oil prices that have recently tumbled amid a weakening economic backdrop. Following a virtual meeting, OPEC said its secretariat noted the announcement of several OPEC Plus countries to additionally cut a total of 2.2 million barrels per day for the first quarter of 2024. This will add to the voluntary output cuts announced in April and will last until the end of 2024. In breakdown, Saudi Arabia will extend its voluntary production cut of 1 million barrels a day until end of next year, while Russia will cut its oil exports by 500,000 barrels until next March. The benchmark Brent crude futures for February fell 39 cents to $80.47 a barrel today. The manufacturing sector showed tentative signs of improvement, resulting in less pronounced slowdowns in new orders output and employment. According to S&P Global Market Intelligence, business confidence has also reached a 7-month high. It said the inflation rates of both input costs and output prices ticked higher, often due to the weakness of the ringgit against the US dollar, but remained relatively muted. The latest Purchasing Managers Index data provided signs that the sector may be turning a corner, although Malaysian manufacturers remained under pressure in November. Improvement seen in the prior month is expected to continue in the year ahead, supporting optimism in the 12-month outlook for manufacturing production. Sentiment also strengthened slightly to the highest since April. Lithium battery separator INV New Material Technology has launched its inaugural plant in Malaysia. Located at Pinang Technology Park, the 3.2 billion ringgit first phase plant will have the annual capacity to produce 1.3 billion square meters of wet process separators and coated separators. Its chairman, Chen Xiufeng, said the company will further intensify its efforts in developing the ASEAN market, laying a solid foundation for global development and bringing intelligent manufacturing beyond its borders. The move solidifies Malaysia's position as the first of its kind facility in Southeast Asia, expected to create up to 4,000 jobs for Malaysians. And that's all the time we have for Bizworld. I'm Nadia Azmi. Thank you for investing your time with us.